Good morning to all of you. Today I am going to show how to apply for National Scholarship. Okay, so this is the National Scholarship portal. So who are eligible for to apply for pre-metric? So pre-metric is means for class 1 to 10 and post-metric is for intermediate. Okay, and there is another one is there merit come means based scholarship. This is special scholarship. So today I am explain about pre-metric and post-metric in national scholarship. So who is eligible for this scholarship means students belonging to 6 notified minority communities like Muslim, Christian, Sikh, Buddhist, Jain and Parsi. So according to my state or Andhra Pradesh, so mostly Muslim and Christians will be there. So they are eligible for National Scholarship Portal. So the website is that www.scholarship.gov.in. Here I already opened here. This is the National Scholarship and the website is that scholarship.gov.in. Okay. So here latest update is that so the date is extended as the date is 10th November 2020. So they are given latest National Scholarship portal is open for fresh and renewal. Fresh means first time, renewal means those are applied last year, they can also renew the application. Okay, so here one important latest updates I am going to tell you that the date is extended up to the 30th November 2020. Say here the application dates for all the central sector scheme except schemes of WARB has been extended. So student form submission pre matric or post matric MCM or extended up to 30th November. So these are three types of schemes will be there: central scheme, UGC scheme and state scheme. So in this scheme I am going to explain about the Ministry of Minority Affairs. I already told only 6 minority are eligible. Only the Muslim, Christian, Sikh, Buddhist, Jain and Parsi. So according to Andhra Pradesh, Muslim and Christians are eligible for this scholarship. Okay, the scheme closing date is November 30, 2020. Okay, so pre-metric means 1 to 10 and post-metric means 11, 12. In Andhra Pradesh, call it as a intermediate. If you are central, it will call it as a plus 2. Okay, so first what you have to do, so this is the home page. You go to the new registration. Okay, so new registration you can take. So new guidelines for registration, if you want to read you can read all this one. Date of birth, okay, state you have to select, all this they have state important. Afterwards here you have to click the 3 check boxes. Okay, then you click on the continue. Okay, so this is very important, that's fresh registration for academic year 2020 and 21. Okay, state domicile. Here I am belongs to Andhra Pradesh. I am state selecting the Andhra Pradesh. If you are belongs to other state, you can select and choose your option. So this is very important. If you are from first class to 10th class, you can select pre-metric. If you are above, means intermediate +1 +2, you can select post-metric. Okay, so here I am selecting pre-metric. So name of the student, this is very important. This website portal will take the student name as it is in the Aadhaar card. Okay, you have to enter name as it is in Aadhaar card. So scheme you select scholarship scheme. So don't take incentive scheme. So you have to take scholarship scheme, and date of birth you have to enter as it is in Aadhaar card only. So if it is boy or girl you take male or female. Okay, mobile number, this is very important. Those who are applying for scholarship, this mobile number you have to give which is linked in the bank. So many parents asked, sir, amount is not credited in your bank, means you are not given the register mobile number. So this is they are given star mark here. So mobile number you have to give which is registered in the bank. Okay, And IFC code, this is very important. So IFC code also you have to give very clearly. If you want to go check, just you go to the IFC code, you give, for example, here they will give the branch, you check. For example, this is the IFC code, bank, Andhra Pradesh, district and branch Kurnool. So these are the details you have to check for the IFC code. Here you give the bank account number and it will automatically display the bank identification. You take the Aadhaar number, okay, and you enter the captcha and then register. In this way you can register, okay. After registering, again you have to go to log into apply, okay, log into apply. So here you have to give the application ID and password. Mostly the password will be the date of birth. If you have forgot your password, again it will send the OTP. If the OTP number is success, you can change, it will show the. So you have to give the application ID. The application ID is like that. Here I will show one example for you. Already having here. So here it is there. Okay, so this is the, here I will show. So this is the ID. See here. So this is the ID. AP means Andhra Pradesh and 2020 AP 2021 is the academic year, and this is the number. So registration date and applied for pre-matric because this boy is the 6th or 7th class. You have to give Andhra Pradesh name, date of birth, mail, account number, income. You have to give less than 40 to 45,000. Okay, if you give 50,000 above, you have to again upload the income certificate. You have to give the dice code of your school. You have to know the school passing year, mode of study, uh, percentage is very important, starting the class, and this is very important. IFC code is very important. This you have to give IFC code, and account number you have to check very carefully. So in this way you can apply for the national scholarship. Apply for renewal means those who are applied last year, they can also, it is here, just you have to give the application ID, password, you have to enter the captcha, and if you log in, just you have to put the date and you have to renewal. So in this way you can apply for fresh application and renewal also. Thank you for watching the my video. This video is for only pre-matric. Next video I will show you how to apply for a post-matric, that is for intermediate +1 or +2. So those who are interested to apply national scholarship for Muslims and Christians, they can contact me. My number for applying. If you have any queries, any doubts, you can comment. Link I will give in the description. So my name is Rafiq. Those if you want to apply scholarship, Muslims are, you can contact me. If you want questions, you can ask me. So thank you.